Good morning. Anmol classes welcomes you. So in the continuation series, earlier we are seeing your GATE 2021 in that branch Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today we will be seeing the numerical ability questions. So as we have done the analysis earlier, the numerical ability questions, 3 questions were asked of 1 mark each in GATE 2021. Let us see. The question 1 is the current population of a city is 11 lakh 2500. If it has been increasing at the rate of 5% per annum, what was its population 2 years ago? Option A is 12 lakhs 51,506. Second option is 9 lakh 92,500. Third option is 9 lakh 95,006 and fourth option is 10 lakhs. So here if we are seeing that this question is closely associated with your compound interest formula. So here it is increasing at the rate of 5% per annum. So 5% here if we are seeing the rate is 5% and duration it is telling that 2 years ago it is telling, and whatever the current population of the city is, we can assume it as the final amount, so we can consider it as the final. So this is the final. So if we are considering in terms of compound interest, this will be your amount, this will be your rate, this is your time, and we need to calculate the principal. Okay, now let us see what is the formula that we need to include here. So if we are seeing the compound interest, so your compound interest formula is A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus I to the power n. Here A is the final amount including principal, P is the principal amount, I is interest rate per year, and n is number of years invested. So what we need to do, that though the question is related with your population, we should not be confused with this amount and principal like that. Just we need to substitute it. So whatever the current population is, current population we will put it as A, and 2 years back, so population 2 years back we'll put it at P. Just we need to substitute it and we need to solve it, so then we can get the required. So here we can say that current population A is 11 lakh 2500. We need to calculate a P. P means population 2 years back, rate is 5% and time it is telling 2 years. So just we need to replace the formula, that is A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus power n. So what we need to do, just replacing here our A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus rate is 5, so 5 by 100 to the power n. N is your 2 years, so it will become 2. So we are having 11 lakhs 2500 is equal to P in bracket, say 1 plus 5 by 100 means we can make it as 105 by 100 to the power 2. We can further solve it, then we'll be having say 11 lakhs 2500 is equal to P in bracket. So if we are solving 105 by 100, it is your 1.05. So it is telling square, so we need to multiply 1.05 into 1.05. So total it will be becoming, so what we need to do, that we will keep a P as one side and remaining parameter will bring it to another side. So we will be having a P is equal to 11 lakhs 2500 whole divided by this 1.05 into 1.05. So if we are solving this, we will be getting it as 1.1025 and if we are solving, we will be getting P as 10 lakhs. So as we are getting P as 10 lakh, so here we can say that your answer D is the correct answer. So for this question, your D is the correct answer, that is your 10 lakhs. Here we'll see the second question in the numerical ability. So the second question is the least number of squares that must be added so that the line PQ becomes the line of symmetry is. So this is one figure, it is having some square and we are having line PQ, and what are the different number of square we need to add it so as to make it the line of symmetry. The options that are given are A 7, B 4, C 6 and D 3. So what is this line of symmetry? Line of symmetry means if we are seeing this line PQ, we will be having the mirror image. So whatever the image that we are having in the one side of a PQ, same image should appear in the another side. That is called your line of symmetry. So if we are seeing this PQ, what we will be doing, that whatever the total figure is, we will divide the total figure into two parts. So first figure, if you are seeing, just compare it. So let us see that in that two squares were given. You just see this one here, this one square is there, one square is there, so we need to have one square here, another square here. So what we are doing, we are adding one square here, one square here. So 1 plus 1, this is becoming 2. So this is a 2 square, and here we are having already 2 square. So these two are making the line of symmetry. This is your PQ, so it is the line of symmetry, but still this is just the part of it. So for these two we need 2 here. Now we will see this bottom part. Here in this bottom part we are having 1 2 3. So 3 square we are having in the left hand side and 1 square we are having in the right hand side. So how we need to rearrange this? So for rearranging it, you will just see that what we are having, this 1 2 3 in the left hand side it is already there, and in right hand side 1 is there. So we will be adding, say 1 2 3 4. We need to add 4 more square here. This means that earlier we are having, this is 1 2 then 3 4 5 6. So total 6 square are to be added so as to make it the line of symmetry for this figure. So if we are seeing here the option C, here it is telling 6. So option C is the correct answer here. Let us see the third question in the numerical ability. So the third question is, corners are cut from an equilateral triangle to produce a rectangular, convex, hexagonal as shown in the figure above. The ratio of the area of the regular, convex, hexagonal to the area of original equilateral triangle is. The first option is 2:3, second is 4:5, third is 5:6, and fourth one is 3:4. So let us see that what it is telling. The corners are cut from an equilateral triangle. So this is one equilateral triangle and this is, it is showing. So corner are cut to produce a regular, convex, hexagonal. So whatever this shaded part is, this shaded part is your regular, convex, hexagonal. Hexagonal means 6 side. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 side we are having. Okay, so as shown in the figure. So it is asking that what is the ratio of this hexagonal with respect to this equilateral triangle. So now let us see the regular convex hexagonal. Now if we are seeing that shaded part, I have made it in this way. So if I am seeing that I am having 1 2 3 4 5 6, so I am having 6 triangle having the equal areas. So T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6 all are having the equal areas. Now let us see the equilateral triangle. So if we are going, this is your equilateral triangle. So if you are seeing this with respect to this figure, this is your T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. So apart from this T1 to T6, we are having this T7, T8 and T9. They are the part of the equilateral triangle. So all these, say T1 to T9, all are having the equal areas. So if we are taking the ratio of hexagonal means area of hexagonal, it is your T1 to T6. So it is your 6. Let us assume the area as A, and to the area of original triangle. So for triangle we are having this is 6, then 7, 8, 9. So we are having 9. So if we are taking the ratio of area of hexagonal to the area of original triangle, we are having 6 by 9. Okay, we can cancel it out. We can get 2 by 3. So let us see the option. So here your option A, it is telling 2:3. This is the correct answer. Thank you.